Join me today as we take a look at this stunning Vermont country estate for sale. This absolutely beautiful home is located in Woodstock, Vermont. It's listed at $9,250,000 with 4 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and is 8,921 square feet. The stunning home sits on 295 acres. This absolutely beautiful home has it all, even a greenhouse. If you follow me on this channel at all, you know I am obsessed with greenhouses and fireplaces. I absolutely in love with this house. It has such a European feel to it. The master bedroom I'm absolutely in love with. You'll see photos of it. But I want to let you guys know that very exciting tonight, I'm going to be doing a live stream at 9 p.m. tonight right here on this channel, and we're going to be doing a virtual walkthrough of this house. I thought it'd be a fun way to hang out together and actually get in the nooks and crannies of this home. Absolutely love this office. It looks so cozy. It looks like a place I'd never want to leave, especially with that little bed tucked away in the corner. You have enjoyed this absolutely beautiful home as much as I have. I can honestly say I'm truly in love with this house. Join me tonight with the live stream so we can do a deep dive into all the nooks and crannies of this home. And as always, thank you for watching.